Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 14th February 2025 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Last night, similar to the consumer inflation data which released on Wednesday night, US government released the wholesale inflation data which also came very high in all the metric. Hence, US market opened flat. However, in the 30-year treasury bond auction, it went only for 4.7%, 0.2 lower than last month 4.9%. So all the long-term bond yield 5, 10 and 30 year all were down 2%, which means US investors were not preferring the safe investment option, and in turn it made the US market positive. Then in addition, Trump signs the order for exploring the reciprocal tariff, like whatever the tariff that particular country imposing, then US will impose the reciprocal. But he stopped them imposing immediately. In this way, this delay could provide some time for other countries to negotiate. So this negotiation and any outcome will be positive for US companies. Then on top of all, Cisco, Airbnb, Robinhood and Krog posted very good quarterly results. So all together made US market to close positive. Dow Jones increased by 0.77%, S&P 500 was up by 1%, and Nasdaq outperformed all and was up by 1.5%. Then US VIX decreased 5% and dropped to 15 from around 16. The takeaway is, from my perspective, US market might be in crucial junction and possibly in short term it might make a big move. It can be either upside or can be on the downside. About oil, it didn't change much. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading at 71.5 US dollars per barrel and Brent crude traded near 75.5 US dollars per barrel. Coming to Indian ADR, again it had a mixed day. ICICI Bank ADR increased 1%, but the other three ADR, Wipro, Infosys and HDFC Bank all closed around flat. However, because those three stocks closed negative in Indian market, so except HDFC Bank, other three showing the positive arbitrage of above 1% and similar movement for Reliance GDR as well. In terms of GIFT Nifty, early morning today it traded around 23,196 and the premium yesterday was reasonable around 60 points to the spot market. So for now, it's kind of indicating gap up opening of above 70 points, possibly above 100 points as well. Then coming to other news, last night our Prime Minister Modi met US President Trump as well as Tesla CEO Elon Musk. First, with Trump, there was an announcement that India reduced the US tariff. India agreed to buy oil and gas from US and also India agreed to buy defense equipment. So based on today's stock market reaction, we can understand it's positive or negative. I guess it's positive for pharma. Then coming to meeting with Elon Musk, there was no report what they discussed, but having the track record of Elon Musk's Starlink is the threat for the Geo and Indian telecom companies. Hence only, I guess, in the last 2-3 days, Reliance had been under pressure. However, there is one major positive. There was a news released in Rogers.com that Reliance Disney is going to stop the free IPL cricket streaming. Rather, they said they are going to change in the subscription model like 150 rupees per month. Because this will increase the Geo platform's revenue. Possibly this might influence on the positive side, and also based on GDR reaction, it appears on that way. Either way, today Reliance will be on focus. Now coming to yesterday Indian cash market, FI was net sellers. They net sold for 2,800 crore rupees and DI net bought for near 3,000 crore rupees. Whereas in the derivative market, near 35% of the option open interest were either unwound or expired. Then about the remaining open interest position, both FII and proprietary traders got above 4% more open interest, makes more money if market goes down means. On the other hand, retail traders got 9% more open interest, makes more money if market goes up. So FII and proprietary traders versus retail traders. However, as I said earlier, 35% volume already unwound or expired. So open interest quantity is very light and haven't had the build up. So as it build up today and Monday, the status might change. But for now, in the index option market, FII and proprietary traders indicating they inclined towards bearishness. On the other hand, retail traders were positive. Regarding future index market, no status change. It was same as last three sessions as it trades on the monthly expiry. As a summary, US market closed positive of about 1%. In line with that, both GIFT Nifty and Indian AD are indicating the positive opening. However, as we discussed, both the consumer inflation and wholesale inflation is not good. And one of the main reason for the US market positive close is due to its possible trade negotiation upper hand. As our Prime Minister is in US, anything might happen. And also now India promised to buy oil from US. So what will be the status and relation for Russia with India then? Hence all will contribute on Indian market today. Moving on, as per stock open interest, Page Industries, Nykaa, Adani Enterprise, Hind Petroleum, UBL, Escorts and Adani Green got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, Muthoot Finance, SBI Card, Prestige, RBL Bank, DLF, Motherson Sumi, Glenmark and Dr. Reddy's got an increased open interest with a positive price close, which means these stocks got the long build-up. About the things to look out, in total 538 companies. I think last batch for this quarter is due to release. Motherson Sumi, Fertilizers and Chemical, Glen Pharma, Glaxo and Aditya Birla Fashion are some of the major Indian companies' earnings results are still released today. In terms of macro, during our market time 12 pm, India's wholesale inflation is due to release. Then at 12:30, Germany's wholesale inflation is scheduled to release. Then on the aftermarket hours, immediately at 3:30 pm, Europe GDP is due. Then in the night for US, their retail sales data, industrial production growth and some FOMC member speech are some of the things we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened slightly higher and it increased to near 23,250 intraday. However, in the afternoon, it gradually erased all those gains and closed flat with a negative bias. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a small bodied bearish candlestick pattern with a long upper shadow. Here, this long upper shadow indicates the lack of strength in the upside bounce of the market. In addition, Nifty was not only below all key moving averages but also in the lower band of Bollinger Band with the RSI momentum indicator in lower band and MACD below the zero line with a negative crossover, all indicating further negativity. Hence, as long as Nifty stays below 23,250, consolidation is likely to continue in the upcoming sessions with crucial support at 22,800. In case of Bank Nifty, it opened slightly lower but made an attempt to bounce back above the short-term moving averages 10 and 20-day exponential moving average, however, failed to sustain and closed at 49,360. Thus, on the daily chart, similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty also formed a small bearish candlestick pattern with a long upper shadow, indicating selling pressure at higher level. In addition, it traded well below all key moving averages with MACD below the zero line. On the positive side, it has consistently defended the midline of Bollinger Band for the past 3 straight sessions and the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the recent rally from 47,850 to 50,650. Hence, on the upside, 49,600 to 49,700 zone is a major hurdle and a decisive break above this level might lead to further upside. However, failure may lead to consolidation. On the options front, the maximum call option open interest was at 24,000 strike, followed by 23,500 and 23,400 with maximum new call option rating at 24,000 strike and then 23,400 and 23,200. On the put side, the maximum open interest was at 22,000 strike, followed by 22,400 and 22,500 with maximum new put option rating at 22,000 strike and then 22,400 and 22,200. Thus, from options data, Nifty might remain in the range of 22,500 to 24,000 with an immediate hurdle at 23,200 to 23,400 on the higher side. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so that it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment based on this as much as heavy risk advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.